Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here to do a Stitchy Kindness video for you. This video will be cross-stitch, Stitchy Kindness. So I hope that you will enjoy seeing what I got. The first one I got was from Tammy Neal. I know a lot of you know her. She comments on a lot of videos. She was decluttering and she wanted to send me some patterns and things. So this one, there is one here, but it's just the pattern, so I will not show. This right here is called Celebration Flag Kit. She sent me this. And it comes with everything that I will need, fabric, floss, to complete it. The next one is a little bonus chart, Christmas Robin. So cute. This is a free chart from DMC, and it just has different patterns on it. The next one is a 3-in-1 stitch kit, and so cute. And the next one is a little bunny brooch with everything I need. Really excited to do that. That's really pretty. And the next one is a Happy Christmas. It's a little free kit. My legs are falling asleep. Let me readjust here. Okay. This is Happy Christmas. Really cute. Comes with everything. And that's just a pattern. And this is a Mill Hill, I believe. Comes with everything. And she sent me a September 2016 to December 2017 16-month calendar. And I love all the little projects, all the little animals on there. So I will have a lot of little animals to stitch. Oh, there is one thing, crochet. She sent me Crochet World December 1990 issue. I love Crochet World. They always have some really good stuff in there to crochet. And she also sent me the 2016 special holiday issue of Christmas Ornaments. And she sent me 2 leaflets. One is Victorian Ornaments. And there's somewhere on the back. And she sent me Birthday Posies. Bunch of different little like flower motifs. An alphabet. So that is my Stitchy Kindness from Tammy. Thank you so much, Tammy, for sending me the items. I love them, and I plan to get a lot of use out of them. Thank you so much. And the next one that I want to show came from Melanie. She is a subscriber of mine. And she sent this box to me. and it is full of kits and fabric. Typically the Ada, which is good because that is what I use. And so she sent me this nice little card. And here are all the kits. There is this one is called Bear Bow, and these are old kits. It comes with everything, and it is Ada. The company is Charmin. This is Monarch Butterfly. Melanie is destashing. She can no longer cross stitch, and she wanted to send some things to me. And then here is the Ada and the floss. And this is also a Charmin. It is Hummingbird. And this is a Charmin. And this is a Bucilla, My First Stitch, Who Loves You? And it's a little owl. Really cute. I love that. And this comes with everything, and it comes with a hoop as well. I really like the owl. Really cute. And this is a Bucilla, and it is called Happily Ever After. And it comes with everything. And here is one from Dimensions. It's called Jesus Loves the Little Children. So cute. And this is Better Homes and Gardens Craft Kits. Cross Stitch Christmas card. And it comes with everything. And here is a Crafter's Square cross stitch kit. And this is an eyeglass case kit. And it's rose. And this is from Creative Circle, and it's Bouncing Bunnies. And I think this is that waist canvas, like where you could put this on clothes. Really pretty colors. And these are cards. Let me see. They're cards that you can put the stitching in. And there is different fabric, different Ada, and then she has the floss, and then I guess patterns are right here. And this one is a Jan Lynn Christmas cross stitch, and it's Noel. And it came with everything. And now here's the fabric. I have got, well, this is a bread cover, and it's 14 count Ada. This is Charles Craft 18 count Ada, 12 by 18 inches. This is waist canvas, 10 count. and I got some more of that. That's 8.5 count. This is even weave. Trying to see. It's even weave. And this is 14 count Aida, 6" by 6" squares. This is country linen, 18 by 18 inches. I might have a giveaway on this because I do not stitch on linen. So this might be in a giveaway. It says it's 18 count. This is background shapes for cross stitch, 28 count. I will probably do a giveaway on these as well. This is Aida, 14 count, red. And here is Aida flax cloth, 14 count. And here's some more kits. This is called Banners. It's called, that's the name. And it's Tea Sampler. This is really pretty. Really pretty. And this is Weekenders. Hummingbirds. And I got Elfin Stockings, 14 count Aida, that comes with everything to make the little stockings. And these two things right here at the end, they are adorable. They're called Attitudes. And they're cats with hoodies on. Are those not adorable? Love those. So cute. Love them. So anyway, that is all I got from Melanie. Melanie, thank you so much for all of these kits, all the goodies. Most everything I will keep except probably the linen stuff. I will do a giveaway on those because I do not stitch on linen. I'm an Aida girl. I'm comfortable with Aida, and so that's what I use. But anyway, thank you so much for your generosity. It was very kind of you. Okay, that will do it for me for this time. I'm glad that you joined me and were able to see the things that I got. I am very happy and pleased and thankful for this whole community. You guys are wonderful. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.